Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for here we'll bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Zinchenko don't come outside on a warn in teammates, say make them no they carried away with precision. No, they carried away with precision. Precision is very different from the EPL. Fine, precision go put you in top shape, make you dey in form. You get now we don't knock everybody. We knock Chelsea 4-0. Everybody they gyrate. If you say now, so it go be say if the EPL starts, everything will be a different ball game. This same Chelsea who will meet now will knock them 4-0. If we meet them again, it could be different. No go expect say it will be the same thing. Even though we are praying say if we meet, we'll still knock them again. Like say tomorrow no day. So Baba just using experience of Man City when they explain to us say Moko no expect everything to be equal. So those who get here, may they hear. At the same time, Marcel president, who they call Pablo Longoria, don't travel to London to go meet Saliba agents. They won't get dinner. And the topic of discussion now about William Saliba. Marcel still dey very interested in signing Saliba. They never give up. They still dey hope say maybe chance fit still dey make Saliba just allow them, make them sign am. But what they fail to understand is say this guy is contracted to Arsenal. If you see now maybe the guy get like 1 year left on his contract now, and hey, it go dey different. He has 2 years, and it is his prerogative to still stay for Arsenal if he wants flourish for EPL, because the attraction or attractiveness of EPL, you know, if they compare them with the flair of League One, they know they the same level you get. But yeah, going to play many top teams. Even all these small league, Newcastle, all these small league, they see the para you get. They knock all, they meet all those kind League One teams. They go let them know. So that's why they see them. So I never know how all this thing go solve, because this one with Pablo Longoria, I see they try all impossible best. I never know how all this one go solve. No, just the watch out. So away from that, so Leicester City don't come outside. They talk say they need Ben Leno, so they won't use Ben Leno as a replacement for their own goalkeeper Kasper Schmeichel, where they go OG Nice. This one surprised me a lot because nobody expected Schmeichel to leave Leicester City, but unfortunately for them, the guy don't agree a deal in principle. Say he won't go join OG Nice, and I think OG Nice they go Champions League, and I don't think say he don't play Champions League before. Maybe that's the attractiveness, or that's the way they push him, the source of attraction. We make I won't go OG Nice. So now Brendan Rodgers they really say, okay, now that you're going, the next best keeper will they available where people once said now be this Ben Leno. We're supposed to be on the way to Fulham. So now left for them now to convince Leno to come swap ship, leave the Fulham with the London. They go Leicester where they far away from London, because in family they London. The reason we make I want accept Fulham, like because in family they London already, the children are schooling in London already, so it would be very easy to transition from Arsenal to Fulham, because see they live for the house where they live, everything will still be the same. But when you're going to a Leicester, you don't come out for London, you get. So are your children, are you moving without your family, you know, all those things. That be the things where they feel say if you know allow Leno move to Leicester. But if Leno won't move, Arsenal will command better money. All those 10 million pounds, 15 million pounds where Fulham they don't say they don't get money to pay, Leicester will pay them. And surprisingly, get one statistics so on the CC for the EPL, Leicester is among the teams they never sign any player yet. So that one shocked me. They don't want to improve me. They like as they finish outside of Europe position last season. So I don't really know. Anyhow, with this story to go, I go to let you know. We call it say Arsenal they stall Tavares loan deal with Atlanta. So they delay the deal, like they don't really convince say this deal will not happen. I wait to consult. Now Atlanta when they add say they want the guy with an option to buy, but Arsenal they say we don't want to give him to you with an option to buy. We just want an outright loan, making go get first team experience elsewhere. Can't come back. But Atlanta they talk otherwise. Even Brighton said from the sources while here, Brighton they talk say they need them with a loan with an option you get. But Arsenal don't want anything loan with an option or loan with an obligation to buy. All they need is Baba go out on loan, get your experience, you come back. Simple as ABC. So maybe they will still look for more suitors for him. I never know. Anyhow way the thing they progress, I will let you know. Even Leicester City chairman wey they call Iwats don't come outside they talk say almost say at the moment now say there are no offers for Yuri Tillemans. Say all the rumor with Arsenal, all the rumor with Manchester United, presently as I talk to you like this, nobody don't send us an offer so we could negotiate for a fee for Yuri Tillemans or a proposal. So Baba just want to set the record straight. Fine, Ben Jacobs they talk say Arsenal don't agree in terms and conditions with Yuri Tillemans. They don't agree that one in principle. So what they remain that to negotiate a fee with Leicester. But I think Arsenal's vision is clouded now when it comes to Yuri Tillemans because they don't look for an Otomelo. So I never know how all these things will go because I'm seeing Otomelo deal scattering this Yuri Tillemans deal because I don't see Arsenal signing two of them at the same time. Well, it can be possible, it may be done, I don't really know because we are looking for squad depth. We'll just the watcher. Our Arsenal they plan to organize Brentford friendly behind closed doors at London Colney before they will come go play Sevilla for the Emirates Cup, before they will come go play Crystal Palace for the opener on August 5th. So when they don't organize, I don't even know whether that's today or tomorrow, but they plan to organize I'm sure, but then they more match fit get before they'll come play that Emirates Cup. Emirates Cup, you don't see that one amendment, that one go hot very well. So that one I go decide the kind of first 11 will give us a glimpse of our first 11 what we go use play. So I can't wait to play that match. So this Brentford will mostly play them. Normal we go knock them now, who them be now. And for London Colney they go play them. So we expect them. Then Ekrem Corner self don't come outside and let us know say Lyon they willing to listen to offers for Lucas Paqueta. Say they very, very important. And one of the reasons we make them want to listen to offer now is say they need money to buy players because players who then they invite everyone come there. That place will be attractive ground again because you are not in Europe, you are just playing Ligue 1 and Cup, so it will be attractive ground for more players to come in. So they need to sell some of their prized assets. So and Lucas Paqueta, everybody knows is one of the prized assets. Both Awado don't decline small. But some people see the scamp and like Betis, they see the reason they matter. So okay, maybe we'll go for Awa or this Lucas Paqueta. If we carry money go now, we'll buy her. I never know how this Lucas Paqueta, even though our technical director Edu Gasparon come outside from media settings in the open public domain, let everybody know say I like this guy. But space never did. You know, understand? Because we get many people they play waiting, they play for our side. Space never did. I believe so we'll create space. After I don't create space, we will revisit the guy's situation. Times today. Even our returning spirit they call Give Me Sports. Don't come outside, they give us news about Leroy Sané. So the kind of talk say Arsenal no they interested in signing Leroy Sané. Now what will they hear now? So and myself I did buy the deal because there's no much news about Leroy Sané coming to Arsenal unless maybe in the future. Anyway, no as football they be now. If we talk A, come go do B later. So let's say for now they are not interested in Leroy Sané for now. This situation can change in the future. So for now, it's not a realistic target for us. I'm talking about realistic targets. So yesterday I mean they talk about what will be our target for the season because me they talk say I go like more focus on Europa League. I can't talk say we no go fit win the EPL. Some people call it para say why Sanchez go talk like that? So we go win EPL, See, now what we do last season. When season they start, you know people talk say now since to go end, now let's go for Europa League, League starts, we can't do very well, everybody can say top 4 or nothing. You get now league never starts. What is your realistic when you are talking the target? Say something realistic. Don't come and be saying you want to win the league, you are coming from 5th to go and win the league. Some people they bring example of Leicester. That Leicester now just one season wonder. What is the guarantee say we will win the league? Where are the players? Where are the strikers? You want to compare us with Man City, you want to compare us with Liverpool. They are miles apart from us. Even if you guys yourself talking, they are miles apart. Who the title will give it a try. But don't come out and say we'll win the title, be realistic. Forget, let's be objective. Forget so you'll be Arsenal fan, you want to hype our team and everything. But when you are making your analysis, be realistic with your targets. Are you going for the title as you did now? You want to tell me say our aim for this season and I'm going to go for the title? You whine me. At the same time, Valencia self don't come outside say that they won't join the race to sign Otomelo. You get, and from reports from Spain, they talking about Valencia be the favorites to sign Otomelo. Say they need Otomelo with a loan. They won't take them on loan with an obligation to buy or an option to buy. Arsenal self won't take them on loan with an obligation to buy or an option to buy. And the funny part of this guy deal, they say Juve they talk say they won't sell them for at least 35 million euros. Arsenal they will say okay, if that kind 30 million euros go be like maybe that kind 25-27 million pounds. So they go fit afford the guy. And this guy, then buy this guy, Juve buy him from back at 70 something million euros. Then them buy him that year. Imagine and the guy can't decline for them because the coach no really like him. Coach no really dey use am. You get, so that's why the guy can't decline. So we now want to save him, and the guy na nice player. The guy dey play very well because for Barca to use you, sell you that kind of price. Shebi you may see something for the guy before them buy that kind of amount. No be say they just go do mistake. But it don't happen, say don't happen. So I never know where the guy go last. Time still they are still discussing, they are in talks. So anything the talks will lead to, I will let you know. One of our mandatory spirits when they work for Sky Sports, where they call Set Damesh. Don't come outside and let us know say Arteta no go dey under pressure, even if he no perform for like maybe the first 10 games of next season. And the reason they say him, both the hierarchy, all those kind of Kroenke and his son and the board of directors, they are on the same page when it comes to taking Arsenal forward. They know they are still building the team of their dreams, so they will they'll cut the guy some slack because he just bought some players. They'll cut him some slack. You know, so last season, some of us like me, they talk say if Arteta no do well this season, but they tell him find square root. But Damesh now they come outside and let us know say Arteta will do Gaspar, Richard Garlic, Kroenke and Pidgin, the board of directors, so they are all on the same page. You get, so they will cut the guy some slack, making integrate these new members of the team into the first 11 and however I want to play. Arteta don't give them a roadmap. Say see how I want to play, see what I want to do. So that they all willing to just give him time, make him try. Well, when I agree with that one, so they still give the guy time. Like if we go to do anyhow, anyway, I'm not even focus on the negatives. I'm not thinking so we'll do anyhow. Next season is going to be a banger. Just watch out. Omo Gaspar said don't come outside from media set where they come they ask and say make him explain Arsenal transfer policy. So Baba come the talk say if you check now, say Arteta don't phase out all those kind of mess with Ozil, Aubameyang, Kolasinac, all those Socrates, Papastopoulos, many players who don't phase out. Say now moving forward, we don't want to be signing players that are motivated by money. Players that it's only money that can engage them. We don't want to do that. We want to bring in players that understand the philosophy of Arteta, the two way Arteta want to deploy. Players who go feel help up, deploy those tactics. That what we want sign. Players who buy into our projects, buy into our vision. But back on give example, say for this transfer window, so we won't go sign one Dortmund player. Say because normally if we want sign you, we'll call your agents, call your family, everybody go there, we'll snap around table. Or ask them say, okay, see like this, see our projects. So I go be. You battle these projects. We know the Champions League now, but we know say in the next 2 years, in the next 1 year, we will go there. You never get also this, in the next this, we go do am. So I go be. You buy the projects, make a reason. So if one nigga where they can't go in family house now, the guy can't do as they don't sell the project to the guy, sell them to the family, sell them to the agent. The first way the guy go talk now, how far out of my contract. So you can say no now, leave money apart first, more reason this project. You buy into the project first. The guy say no, say more than discuss the money. You can say you tell the agency guy, we'll not do it again, no worry. Thank you for your time. Not shake everybody. Find square roots. Though you don't mention the player, so I don't know. Because the only player I know say with the reason where they can offer us for this season, I be Akanji. We be center back for Dortmund, so I don't know any other player with a reason. But just they don't call the name, you know, just the anonymous. Get me? They don't go be saying a bad press or don't give the player. So that is what we are looking on going forward. So we don't want people to say now money now make them come Arsenal. No, if you not buy into our project, stay your mama house. Then away from that, so Lyon incoming owner, what they call Textor, when you hear say the guy finally let Paqueta go because by the time we into finish buying the club or buying bigger shares, then go come get out, then go come get big say. As of now, he never gets say. That is why all those guys, their presidents and their sporting director, they really say, okay, we have to sell Paqueta. So anybody who won't buy Lucas Paqueta, this is the best time for you to come and buy him because once Textor come, Textor is an American billionaire. Textor don't come outside for public domain talk, say he won't take Lyon to the promised land. Say Lyon is going to compete with PSG. That is his promise to the fans. And that kind of person don't make that kind of promise. If he enter, you don't expect him to sell prized assets like Lucas Paqueta. Instead, he go use money, bust everywhere, increase the guy's salary, let the guy know say, you know they go anywhere. Just ride on with us for this particular season. Next season we are going back to Europe. So anything way Arsenal know say that they do. If you know say you really want to sign Paqueta, make hay while the sun shines. Sign him now before Textor will join. So if you know what yesterday, you check the top left corner of your screen. You will see the thumbnail. Click on so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So start signing out. Enjoy the rest of your week and game out.